Here we go.
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Beaver, Butler, and Washington, and the following counties in West Virginia, Brooke, and Hancock. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania,
my gosh.
northeastern Brooke County
Allegheny
in northern
County.
West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wellsville to
Time to go somewhere
Avella,
else.
moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh.
Yep, we're in this, Pittsburgh. We're in this.
Township, McCandless
Pittsburgh.
Township, Monroeville, Moon Township, McMurray, Whitten, McKeesport, Franklin Park.
Uh-oh,
These
this looks to
storms
be a
have
big...
produced damaging wind.
Uh-oh, this is a big storm.
Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook
Dad, this is
page,
for
or
Pittsburgh.
using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Yeah, it's for Pittsburgh. We're in this, yeah. Alright. So now let's check the event info. Oh yeah, we're in this severe thunderstorm warning. This is the light rain that's going to enter, and it's going to change to all heavy rain. Oh my gosh, guys, this storm looks to be a big one.